Ever wonder why your cough gets way worse at night when you're sick? Two main reasons. First, your cortisol levels drop at night. Cortisol helps you calm inflammation, so when it's lower, your airways get more irritated. Second, when you lie flat, mucus and secretions pool in the back of your throat and airways. That directly triggers your cough reflex. That's why coughing often peaks after bedtime, not because you're getting worse, but because of normal nighttime physiology. Next time you're having trouble sleeping from a nagging cough, try a tablespoon of honey.